Welcome to the Corner Faster Get Fast series. We're at Road Atlanta in a Porsche Cayman GT4, and this is laps 10, 11, and 12 out of 50 laps to get up to speed using the iRacing simulator. In this video, it's all about driving at the limit of grip of the tires. Previously, we spent a few laps learning the layout, and then another few laps looking ahead with purpose. The last few laps we spent placing the car at reference points all around the track in order to maximize the amount of track surface that we're using. Now that we have confidence placing the car in and out of each corner, it's time to add some speed and momentum and actually reach, exceed, and dial in the limit of grip of the tires in and through each corner. So there's a few ways that we're going to figure out whether we're actually at the limit of grip. This car actually has lock-up lights. If they come on one or two times in a brake zone, that's usually a good thing, whether indicating that you're actually at the limit of grip, just about. You don't want to see them flashing the entire way in. Also don't want to see them not flashing at all, typically. The other thing we can do is listen for changes in engine RPMs, especially under acceleration. That can be a giveaway for changes in grip. And we can listen for tire noise. This car has particularly quiet tires, but you can still hear just a little bit of a whispering, almost like a Velcro sound in some cases, but very soft. So then we have to rely on feel. And we can feel for changes in tension in the force feedback in the steering wheel. In real life, we can feel for changes in yaw and G-force throughout our entire body, as well as feedback from the steering wheel. So we could piece all those together, the lock-up lights, the sounds, and the feeling that we get as we approach and exceed the limit of grip, to try to sort out just exactly where that limit is in each corner. And that's not necessarily something that can be described. It really needs to be sorted out, experimented, and dialed in by the driver. And as we're wrapping up lap 11, going under the bridge, heading on to lap 12, we'll leave with a piece of advice from Christian Horner. And I don't know why he gave this on the Netflix series. I hope he told Alex Albon directly. But he said, you've got to dominate the car and essentially reach a level of comfort driving the car at the limit of grip so that the car's not doing anything you're not asking it to do, and it's doing everything that you are asking it to do. And that can definitely take more than just a couple laps to figure out, but really that's the goal of this stage, driving at the limit of grip of the tires. So that wraps up laps 10, 11, and 12. Stick around for the next video where we work out shaping each corner to optimize exits.